Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. Today's video is about Gigabyte GA-B85M motherboard boot menu key and Windows installation process. So stay tuned. First of all, you need a bootable pendrive and press power button, then press F12 few times. You will see boot menu box. Here you see UEFI mode and legacy mode. This is UEFI and this is legacy. So before you installation Windows, you ensure that your hard disk partition style. If your hard disk partition style MBR style, you select must legacy format. My partition style is MBR, so I select legacy and enter. The process is run. You select 64-bit. Next, install now. Click I don't have product key and select Windows 10 Pro. Next, I accept the license terms. Click next, advanced. Here you see the partition where you install Windows. I select this partition and format. OK and next. Thank you so much for watching the video.